Here's the tour of the lifts at United Square. Firstly, we go on to the lifts that serve the car park and the mall.
Let's quickly just film this set and go on to the other set. Mitsubishi. Yeah. Shakes quite a bit. Then we got full ride up along. Let's just go to the office lobby. Oh, we are going to walk around that later.
Now on to another set of the same thing.
Hey guys, this is the most busy set of lifts. Oh, the button is a little bit. No, since there's already one of these, we're just gonna go to two. No. The heck is this?
Now on to an additional set of lifts, which serve the same purpose.
This mall is really made for the Asians. Look at how tall this ceiling is. This is my height to here. Like, this is my arm and this is the ceiling. Food. Oh hell no, don't worry, we are back. Let's go. What? I thought this was scenic. What the hell, man? They're scenic on the outside, but not the inside. These ones are slightly taller. There is a tree. It's quite odd how they put the three sets of passenger lifts literally next to each other. It's not very good idea.
Now on to the cargo lift. This lift was the last to get modded.
This is so annoying. This stuff is super slow. I know it's a cargo lift. Like, cut it some slack, but it's still slow, okay? Seems to be original. Yeah. Goods lift for goods only. Passengers not allowed. And they have a camera in here. God damn. This is so slow. 2,000 kilos, do better. Why did I say it like that? Oh yeah, see, concert to A here. Let's see, can I cancel calls? Yo, that's awesome. I think this was the last lift in the complex to get this changes. Oh fuck. B. Oh, that looks so nice. It opens on this side. So, it's in the car park. Oh hell no, this door doesn't work. That door doesn't work. This one? I don't think. What the fuck? I think the same button is even after the changes. The buttons, they could be better. I don't like these, but at least you can cancel. That's a plus point. But people don't really know how to cancel anyway. Like they'll be like, "Oh shit, I pressed the wrong floor. Let's just pass by the random floor." But some lift logics will just stop at a floor if you try and cancel. Like for IFE lifts to cancel, you press four floor buttons at a time. However, even if you do that, it will still just stop at the next floor. So it's not so useful if that happens. Guys, look at how I can cancel the calls. One, there. Oh, there you go. Just press twice. Check this out. I'm gonna no clip through the wall. Oh, guys, the door totally went. Over here, you can go up to 328, but you can't go up to 2. Even though it's not that far. Like, just make a stand! Guys, I'm hungry, I need a snack! So we go to 7-Eleven. We'll show you what it looks like. See the
Okay, enough of that weird crap. So now let's go on to the office lifts. I didn't write the low-rise ones as they were not that interesting since you need to register since all floors are locked. And you just need to register. It's not directly at the counter. You just scan a QR code and you select the floor. Make sure to put in your phone number. If you put in a different person's phone number, it will send to that person instead. So I just went to the high-rise ones. Here's a ride on the high-rise ones.
They have a date.
Oh, I
I
think
think
maybe.
we
Where are they going?
but she said they will check the velocity.
Now to the fire lift. I managed to get up to the top floor because contractors for the past few days have been using this lift to supply stuff for the top floor.
அவன் மேல மாத்திடணும் கீழே ஒரு
On to the last lift of this lift tour, which is the VIP lift. This lift can be easily seen on level 2A. However, it is completely inaccessible unless one has a card for the door. However, even if you got in, you'll probably get busted almost straight away since, it's a VIP lift.